Hey guys, this video got 20k views, 80k views, 10k views, 2k views, and these are all of my clients. And in this video, I will show you how you can achieve these numbers in your videos. It's pretty simple thing because a lot of people think, bro, if our thumbnail is good, then people will click on our video, but that's not true, fully true, because thumbnail and title both works together. And in this video, I will show you best title formats that you can use on your videos, and you will see progress. So I mainly work in finance niche like Shopify, dropshipping, SMMA, trading, real estate, you name it. So you will just apply on your own niche. So title is your traffic gate. All right. When your title is good, people will click on your video. When people click on your video, your CTRs goes up, and then your views goes up. It's a pretty simple idea. You will see the progress. All right, so let's begin, bro. First of all, I will show you the mistakes that people create on when they making their title and the thumbnail, and then we will go to the other side. So I just pick a random thumbnail YouTube video to show you why this thumbnail and the title is not good and it's killing your views. You can say 51 views in 9 days, and these crypto videos goes viral. Like they got pretty good views when your subscribers are low, but they got pretty good views. Because saying so, first look at the thumbnail. There is no clarity, there is no trust full thing, and the most important mistake in this thumbnail is the subject. You can see he add a lot of elements, sorry, effects on his video, on his face, that it's just look unreal. And the background, I'm saying the flashy things everywhere. And you can see my top 10 crypto portfolio for 2026. First of all, he's not really famous. All right. I'm just telling you the viewer perspective. Okay. And there is in title, there is three mistakes. There is no curiosity. There is no fear, like my top 10 crypto portfolio for 2026, but people know that crypto just crashed, the gold, the Bitcoin, everything. And it's not make sense. And the third, my the promise, there is no promise, like my top 10 crypto portfolio for 2026. People don't know, like, is this really profitable for us or something like that, you know what I'm saying? Because everyone need the what we can get. And I made a sample thumbnail in the title for you so you can understand uh, side by side, like thumbnail and title really makes sense, and it's build your brand on YouTube and overall trust and then cash. All right, so I made a thumbnail for this is the before thumbnail, as you can see, and this is the after thumbnail, right? And you can see I made a title sample for you guys also, so you know that which one is best and why we should you want to listen me. You know what I'm saying? I know my English is a little bit, but I hope you can understand what I'm saying. All right. So the old title is my top 10 crypto portfolio for 2026, but there is no curiosity, fear, or promise, something like that. And there is another thumbnail title: Stop buying Bitcoin in 2026. Buy this instant. If you think, both title tells the same story on the video, but this title creates curiosity, fear, and promise. Fear: stop buying Bitcoin. Curiosity: buy this instant. And promise, like if you really watch this video, you will get some knowledge and you can uh, make some money, something like that. You got my point, right? And there is another title is Secret Portfolio that will make you rich. And in this title, promise the reward, curiosity, and a little bit, you can say fear or something like that. And you got my point. Like a title and the thumbnail matter a lot. Mainly, this video is about the title, so let's just focus on the title. But I will make another video about the thumbnails, or you can check my previous videos. You know, So let's begin our formats that you will use on your video. First title format is the only way to desired results. For example, I said I mainly work in finance niche, so I will just give you the finance title examples, but you can use in different niches. So the only way to desired results. For example, the only way to profit in crypto bear market, because people know like in bear market there is so difficult to make a profit, but you have to make your video accordingly to your title, because if you don't, then people say it's clickbait and it's really bad for you. Or for this SMMA niche, the only way to scale social media marketing for to 10K per month. It's just the only way to desired results. Why this work? Because people need results, like how to make money in 10 days, how to make 100K in 10 days, in months. You know what I'm saying? And these videos got really good views. People know like we can't make that much money in shorter time, but they were just they use that and they click that and they will watch it. You know what I'm saying? And the second is I tried number thing. These are the best. Like I tried 100 crypto coins and these are the best five will go 10x. Like I analyze 100 crypto projects, these five will 10x. Or I trade 100 meme coins and these are the best meme coins that get get reviews. You know what I'm saying? You got an idea. Or I tested 50 SMMA niche, these seven made me the most money. Or I tried 100 products on Shopify and these are the best three that make me millionaire. You know what? You can create a lot of things by using these formats. And third one is how to get X without Y. Like how to start dropshipping without spending money. How to make $100 in one day without doing anything. You will see these type of titles on YouTube. Or how to make 5K dollar in crypto without day trading. You got my point, right? Or you will use that I analyze X and these are the best. Like I analyzed 200 crypto coins and these are the best, like I told you before, like the meme coin things. And we use the same thumbnail formats in these videos, and you will see 20K views, 88K views, 2K views, 10K views. So you can see I tried X for Y days, and this is the title format that we used for our client, and it got 88K views. I know it's not the fully aligned, the I tried X for Y days, but you can see 0 to 100 1K day dropshipping challenge 24 hours. It's it's mentioned the day and it's mentioned the Y point. You know what I'm saying? So you can manage titles accordingly to your video, but you got an idea what I'm trying to say. And there is a ultimate weapon in finance niche. Add phrases like before the bull run, only 7 days, before it's too late. In finance niche, FOMO is everything. If you say, bro, I will read this video in 24 hours. If you want to make 10K per month, watch this video like Alex Hormozy does or Iman Ghazi does. They do this type of video. I will read this video for in 24 hours. Watch that. Or if you want to make 10K per month, just watch this video. This 10 minutes will change your life. These type of titles. And I'm telling you, these type of titles little bit clickbait, but they got pretty good views. So yeah, this is the formats that I'm using for my clients. If you don't know me, sorry, I just forgot to introduce myself. If you don't know me, my name is Zed, and I mainly work in finance niche. I manage whole entire channel for my clients. They just need to upload the video as unlisted on YT Studio, and I will handle everything for him. The title, the thumbnail, the split testing. If you don't know what is split testing, let me know in the comments. I will make a fully simple video for you so you can understand and you will get more views and more revenue. So yeah, if you didn't follow me on Instagram, please follow me. And if you need any help, just DM me. And I love to help you, man. God bless you. Yeah.